Hey kmacs, welcome back to Kaleb Vlogs. So if y'all are new here, my name is Kaleb and this is Kaleb Vlogs. So back with another video today, guys. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing y'all 5 of my new cars. 5, guys. And so yeah, guys, let's get right into it. So my fairly new one would be these 3. So this is a BMW. Got the set Cracker Barrel. Say BMW 1.8. Made in China. The front side, that side, and the other side, and then the back side, and then the top. And look, guys. Look at this. That's my favorite part about cars, is that it goes up. So here's another car. It's fairly new. I got it yesterday at Toys R Us. Got these 2 toys at Toys R Us. These were my 2 last purchases at Walmart, guys. It really sucked. So, the red one right here is a Lamborghini Gallardo. Top speed 325 km something /h. So here's the front side, here's the back side, the top, one side, and the other side. So we got a blue Audi. This was also one of my last purchases that I got at Toys R Us. It's an Audi A1. It's an Audi A1. Here's the front side, the back side, or not. Here's the front side, the back side, the top side, one side, and then the other side. So let's get to one of my not very fairly new ones. So it will be this one. Got a white Lamborghini. This one is a Lamborghini Aventador LP 704 KT5355 scale 1/38. Made in Shenzhen, China. So here's the front side, the back side, the top side, one side, and the other side. What I mostly like about cars is that whenever these look like wings, so yeah. And then we got another not very fairly new Hot Wheel. This is a Lamborghini Huracan LP622 Super Trofeo Hot Wheel. So here's the front side, the back side, the top side, one side, and then the other side. So yeah, guys, it's gonna be it. If you guys want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, like this video, comment down below. See you guys next one. Peace.